Let's see how to find the value of m. Let's try prime factorization first. We know 1,1,1,5,5,6 equals 1,1,1,5,0,0 plus 56. We know both numbers are divisible by 4. So after division, we know the number can be written as 4 times 27,889. So we can write as 2 squared. We also try to write the second number as a perfect square. So we write as a squared. We try to figure out the value of a. It is hard for us to find the prime factors for the second number, but we notice 27,889 greater than 10,000, which is 100 squared, but less than 40,000, which is 200 squared. So the value of a must be between 100 and 200, but it's not convenient for us to find the value, right? So let's narrow the range. Let's calculate 150 squared. So 150 squared, we know 15 squared equals 225. So 150 squared equals 22,500. Similarly, 160 squared equals 25,600 and 170 squared equals 28,900. So you see 160 squared less than that number. So 27,889, but less than 170 squared, right? So the value of a must be between 160 and 170. Actually, because the one digit of the number is 9. So the one digit of a must be 3 or 7. So let's try 163 squared. It turns out it is 26,569. Not good. Let's try 167 squared. Yes, it is 27,889. So m squared equals 111,556. We can write as 2 squared times a squared, but a now equals 167 squared. So we get 2 times 167 squared, which is 334 squared. Taking square root for both sides, we get m equals 334 or negative 334. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.